What is the crack, folks? Welcome back to the YouTube, and I'm going to quickly show you how to upload avatars to VRChat. First of all, go ahead and download the Unity Hub. Once that's all downloaded and you sign in, go to Installs, press Install Editor, Archive, Download Archive, which will bring you to a website that looks just like this. Go ahead and look for the versions that you require. So in this case, I'm using 22.3.22. Easy. So I'm also using the VRChat Creator Companion. Inside there, make sure that it has your versions of Unity Editor installed. Whenever you go to create a project, make sure you use the correct version. Now, the creator should have it listed there in the description. If they don't, they're probably a terrible creator. I have one already, so I've already created it. In here, I'm using these little packages. So Gesture Manager basically allows you to preview like the reaction wheel. The Toon Shader, I have version 9.1 and all here as well anyway. Like this is basically like the shader. It's you gotta have it. You gotta have the shader. And VRC Fury, that's basically like something that assists GoGoLoco like to be installed and whatnot. But it's very handy. So go ahead and just open that. Now this will take a while to load as well, like depending on like your system and whatnot. But just give it time. Keep in mind as well, I will have a list of these in the description for you to use as well. To add these, you go to Settings, Packages, and add repository. Usually it's either a link, or in some of these cases, these actually do have a button that you click on their website that just automatically adds it in. So I already have my Ogre in here, and I already clicked the button to bring it up. So sometimes like your avatar will spawn in pink, but all you have to do is go into materials, and you'll have to go one by one, making sure that all of these correspond to the shader. So if it doesn't have a shader, go ahead and put the shader in it. Sometimes whenever you upload it to VRChat and you use the reaction wheel to like put a bit of clothing on it, sometimes it will like turn out pink. So just go back to Unity, go in here, find the pink one, click on it and change it. If you're wanting to add something like GoGoLoco where you can sit, all you need is the repository that I showed you. So you need VRC Fury and the GoGoLoco. If you don't have these, you can go ahead and download GoGoLoco for free. You would drag it in here and then just simply drag it onto the avatar. In my case, I have the repository, so I can just go to Tools, GoGoLoco, Add Prefab, select your avatar. You would drag it from here, drop, Add GoGoLoco. It's a mouthful to say, really. I'll show you the default way. So as I said, I have my GoGoLoco here. I would drag it and drop it right here. It'll take just like a couple of moments for this. Just go ahead and click Import and it'll drop in. So again, as I said, as soon as it comes in, you just go look for it, drag and drop it onto the avatar, just like that. Go ahead and click VRChat SDK. Go ahead and sign in, then name it, put a description if you want, get an image, click this button and build and publish, and that should be it. If there's any problems as well uploading an avatar, just go ahead and refer back to the creator. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.